Welcome to the Weather Guru Podcast for August 27, 2026. This is the Thursday edition of the severe weather and tornado watches and warnings for the lower 48 United States. Hit that like and subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, we do have 3 tornado warnings. One in New York, Saratoga County, just south of Queensbury in the I-87 corridor in the Adirondack Mountains. 1-inch hail reported in Saratoga County, and a tornado, radar indicated, is on the ground right now in that area, just north of Saratoga Springs and Wilton, New York here, upstate New York. And that's where they have the tornado warning here. As you can see, that purple in the rotating zone here, making its way across the 87 corridor towards Vermont, New York border there. So be careful. New York also has a Washington County, also including as well in that tornado warning. Northumberland, Greenwich, Argyle, Sewellville. Those are the next locations in the area there as well. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning in Nebraska for 2.5-inch hail. This is huge hail in Cherry County, Nebraska. This is kind of in the rural area of Nebraska, south of Cody, Nebraska here. But 2.5-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds, considerable damage. Please take shelter now if you're in that area in Cherry County, Nebraska. You see a big purple hail corridor here, and this is going to be raging for the next about 10 to 15 minutes here. Severe thunderstorm warning for Delaware County, New York. 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour straight line winds for Delaware County, New York. And then we head back to Oswego County in New York too. 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds here. This is in the toward the Finger Lakes region here. As it pushes towards Schenectady here, these showers are leaving Anota in New York, and it's heading toward that region there. Be careful there as well. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in Texas. 15 minutes expires in 15 minutes here. This includes the Austin, Bear Cave, Bee Cave area here. This is for Travis County. For hail up to 1 inch and 60-mile-an-hour wind gust here. You can see that outflow boundary here through Round Rock, Texas, and Austin, just to the west of I-35 here. This is where outflow boundary is going to bring these showers into the Austin metro area here within the next 20 minutes here, 25 minutes. So be prepared there as well. And then on the Maryland-West Virginia border, Berkeley, Frederick County, Jefferson, and Washington County, Maryland, for severe thunderstorm warning expires in 17 minutes of 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds here in Sharpsburg, Boonesboro, Maryland, toward the I-70 corridor, toward between Hagerstown and Frederick, Maryland. It's going to be a slow go here for rush hour here between 5 and 6 and 7 here as these storms continue to rumble here. Even in West Virginia, Martinsburg, a flood warning is in Martinsburg area, West Virginia. Flash flood severe thunderstorm warning as well as a flash flood warning for Martinsburg area here, emergency here, as they have heavy rain that's been coming down the hillsides there as well, and that expires in the next 2 hours and 15 minutes here, so we have to watch out for that too in that area too. Now, zooming out here, you can see we have some general showers here along the Shenandoah Valley here, along I-81 from Winchester south down to Front Royal, back into Wardensville and Harrisonburg, along 81 there, and Staunton. So you can see just general variety garden showers there, thunderstorms there. North Carolina, Bladen County, 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds, severe thunderstorm warning for you in 30 minutes here. That's just outside of White Oak and Lumberton area here. Hope Mills and Fayetteville area here getting all steady rain here and lightning as well. Non-severe, but Fayetteville is included in that severe thunderstorm warning here. Once again for Cumberland County and Sampson County, North Carolina, until 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Penny-sized hail, Fayetteville, Clinton, Fort Bragg, Hope Mills, Eastover, Newton Grove, and Wade, North Carolina are included in that zone there. As you can see all the rain all the way up Wade, Benton, Dunn, Four Oaks, that 95 corridor, even Lillington getting into some rain. Fort Bragg is included in that as well. And we continue to see rain as well out west. I'll tell you the states that we mentioned there. So these severe thunderstorm warnings continue to come in here throughout the evening. And luckily, we haven't seen that many tornado warnings with the system here. But flash flood warning is expired in New Jersey, thank God, for Middlesex and Monmouth counties here. That's expired, but heavy rain continues along the Jersey Turnpike, the Garden State Parkway, into Staten Island as well. 87, 287 is going to be a rough go. Trenton, heavy rain for you guys. It's going to be a tough go along 295 there in Trenton, as well as 95. But these showers that continue there in that area down to the Philadelphia area, Philadelphia is still under a flash flood warning for the next 30 minutes here as rain is continuing to fall in the northern suburbs here toward Bucks County and the Pennsylvania Turnpike there. So be careful there as well. And we have other flash flood warnings as noted out west too as well. So there's a lot going on right now, but we still have that tornado warning in New York, Saratoga, and Washington counties the next 30 minutes here. There is a tornado radar indicated here, and I put it in motion here. You can see it moving there toward Northumberland here, and Greenwich, you're next in line. Argyle, you're next in line here up in upstate New York here. And so that's something to look at here. Let's just switch to reflectivity here, and let's go to the relative velocity here. Let's just see what it looks like on the radar here. If we get the relative velocity in there, and yeah, you can see those greens, and was that coupling touching right there. And this is the coupling here, the green and red coming away and towards the radar. The coupling is right there between Wilton, New York, and Northumberland, and you can see the coupling there, right there, strong on the radar there. Let's see if we can go see anything on the any correlation coefficient. We can see the debris signature on the radar here, and there is a little bright signature right in here. We'll have to see, not as strong as the debris signature there, but we'll see. They're saying it's radar indicator on the ground here, so maybe a little signature. So there could be something there. We have to wait and see how it goes. But in any event, take shelter in the next 15 to 20 minutes here as the storm blows over upstate New York here between Wilton, Saratoga Springs, and Argyle, New York here along I-87 in the Adirondack corridor there. So that's all we have going on right now. As I zoom out, there's some showers in Vermont, of course, coming across the Green Mountains there. Rutland, Vermont, getting in some rain. And then, of course, the Finger Lakes, as I showed you, and then down in New York, Philadelphia, and just west of the DMV, the Washington DMC area, there's some showers and thunderstorms that's kicking off right now. It's been the Weather Guru podcast for August 27, 2026. God bless. I'll talk to you soon. Hit that subscribe button. See you on the next episode. Take care.